Oh hey guys, Cracker here. How you guys doing? Well, it's springtime again in the Smoky Mountains. I'm just walking around with my dog. Let's see what we can see. It's really pretty out here today. Boy, this is so pretty out here today. All the birds are singing and everything. It's really great. My dog loves it. She's just having a good time. Let's see what we got around here. We got mountains all around us, surrounded by thousands of acres. This is great. No people for miles. Just listen to the sounds of nature. It's all around us. Isn't this great? So pretty out here. I saw a whole bunch of ducks earlier, and the water is really pretty right now. And this is really great, isn't it? Look at this. This is so nice. The best part of this, there's no people out here. That's the best part of this. Great. We could walk around for miles out here. "800 square miles, millions of acres." I mean, what more can you ask for? This is like my favorite time of the year, springtime. It's just so beautiful out here. Look at all this. Isn't this great? And my dog likes it too. My dog's been having fun. My dog's been gaining weight too. Well, my dog's been having a lot of fun. Well, I'll see you guys later. Cracker out.